Okay guys, this is a craft room organization video. I've been seeing everybody else changing their craft rooms around. I did once, I think maybe about 2 years ago. So I thought I would do one myself because look at my craft room. I got a mess over here, okay? And plus I do diamond painting. I got a mess over here. I got all my paints and all my stuff over here. And then I got a cart here. I got some diamond paint stuff here. This I'm not going to change. This is going to stay the way it is. Okay. Hopefully not making you guys too dizzy. Okay. Now I got drawers open here. I started organizing just now, but I thought I'd take a before picture and an after picture. So this desk here, I do all my diamond painting on. So I'm going to try to organize where all my diamond painting stuff is. Mostly here and on this cart right here. And then that table is going to be my crafting table. And then I have to reorganize all this. Up there, I just started taking my papers from out of the stuff that I bought from Temu. I'll never buy anything like that again because they're very flimsy and they're no good. So, and there's my drawer. That's the drawer that goes to my desk. But look, guys, I have a mess going on. But I gotta reorganize all this stuff. I mean, I'm not having nothing. There's all my diamond paintings there. I got diamond painting stuff there. I have paper crafting stuff up here. I mean, I'm just a mess. All my pictures and stuff will stay up there. And then that will stay right there. I'm not going to change that around. And then I have this thing to take care of. And then I have this. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I think I may just leave this like this, because this is all my Doodlebug stuff set. They're almost all attached, and then that's like all my acetate and stuff, my craft stuff. But if it can fit in that cubby hole here, I will get this. But see, when I ordered this, I got this off from Wayfair, and they're 2 units together, and they were supposed to be wider cubby holes, but it said, you know, like a craft, whatever, bookcase, whatever it was. But this is actually supposed to be for wine, because when it came in the box and stuff, the paper said wine cabinets or wine shelves or whatever you call it. So yeah. And then I have stuff in those containers, and I got stuff underneath here. I mean, my grandkids get in here and they make a mess, and it's just like, I don't know, everything's just a mess. So this is gonna be, my lights are all gonna stay. I'm not Rockefeller, so you're not gonna see a crafty or a fancy craft room, guys. So, but it's gonna be neater. Hopefully it'll be kind of different. It's gonna be different from everybody, because like I said, I do not have the money for all that fancy IKEA stuff, and you know, I use what I have. And if I find things on the side of the road and it looks halfway decent, I grab it. Like all these containers I found on the side of the road and stuff, you know. So I'm not a fancy wancy person. So, but this is about the desk, and this is about the fanciest thing you're gonna see in my craft room. So, wish me good luck. I will do videos as I go along. I probably will do a live video or a video why I am cleaning my craft room, because I just bought myself, let's see if I can find it in this mess. I just bought myself one of these stands, and the other part is right there, and it moves around. It follows you around. So all I gotta do is I gotta hook this thing up to this, and this will follow me all the way around while I do my craft room. Here's another angle that you guys can see. I'm working on this diamond painting right now. It's not looking too bad. It's all crystal. It's a 40 by 50. It's a budget friendly. I think I got it off hand deal or cool deals. I was scared that the colors weren't matching, but they are. But it's just a wine glass with seashells in it. I can't really show you the thumbnail right now, but if you've been watching my videos, you'll see what I'm doing. And yes, the ghosts don't go with it, but that's all I had for release paper, so that's what I'm using. But yeah, I have definitely a mess going on, guys. Because I just started, I just thought about it. I thought I would just start organizing. Since everybody's doing a craft room organization, I decided I would do one too. So on that note, I will let you guys go. Tell me what you think. If anybody has any ideas about what I should do or how I should change things around. But I'm definitely putting my paper back in here. I know they probably should be in folders. I do have some folders for them from scrapbook.com. They're in my closet. So I may put them in there, but this is going to take me a long time, guys, because I have a mess. See, I have my diamond painting scattered everywhere. I mean, it's just bad. But a lot of the stuff is going to my new place during the summer. I am going to have a little he shed. It's nothing going to be fancy, but all my diamond painting stuff is probably going to go over there. Most of it, anyways. And I'm going to set it up over there. So you guys will have a video on that one, too. Alright, guys, you have a great Monday. And I'll consider this part 1. So, I will show you what part 2 is later. Okay, guys, I'll let you know how far I get. Alright, don't forget to follow, like, share, and please comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. Alright, have a great day, guys.